Hi, my name's Amy
and Gloria.
We are presenting all about the Hoatzin bird. Appearance. The Hoatzin bird looks strange. It has long neck and the tuft of white feathers. On its head has blue skin. On its face has red eyes.
Diet. A Hoatzin bird eats a lot of leaf and other less dangerous fruit like flower. But I think maybe it eats insect too. Also, the leaf they eat sit in a bed in your stomach for a long time. After a while, those leaves get really stinky. That's why some people call them stink bird. Habitat. The Hoatzin bird lives in the rainforest of South America. Also, the Hoatzin bird that lives in Guyana is really important. They also build nests from twigs that are as big as pencil.
Predators. The Hoatzin bird has predators like snakes and monkeys, just waiting to gobble up a tasty Hoatzin bird chicks. But the Hoatzin bird has some trick to scare them away, like it flaps its wings and makes loud crowing sounds that can scare a greedy predators.
Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.